Homemade Seafood Paella Recipe, Authentic Spanish Dish. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we dive into the world of Spanish cuisine. We're going to show you how to make a delicious and authentic homemade seafood paella. This iconic dish is packed with flavor and is perfect for sharing with friends and family. So, let's get started. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this amazing seafood paella. 2 cups of arborio rice, or any short grain rice. 1 pound of mixed seafood, shrimp, mussels, clams, and squid. 1 onion, finely chopped. 1 green bell pepper, diced. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tomato, diced. 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, chopped. 4 cups of chicken or seafood broth. Half teaspoon of saffron threads. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Half teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, adjust to your spice preference. 1 lemon, cut into wedges. Olive oil for cooking. Salt and pepper to taste. Preparation method. Step 1. Preparing the saffron infusion. First, let's create a saffron infusion. Take your saffron threads and add them to a small bowl. Pour in a couple of tablespoons of hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. This will give our paella that beautiful golden color and unique flavor. Step 2. Preparing the seafood. Show the seafood in a bowl. While the saffron is infusing, let's prepare our seafood. Make sure to clean and devein the shrimp, scrub the mussels and clams, and slice the squid into rings. Season them with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a bit of smoked paprika. Step 3. Sautéing the aromatics. Next, heat up your paella pan over medium-high heat and add a generous splash of olive oil. Toss in your chopped onion, garlic, and bell peppers. Step 4. Adding rice and tomatoes. Now, add arborio rice and diced tomatoes to the pan. Stir everything together and let it cook for a couple of minutes until the rice starts to turn translucent. Step 5. Adding seasonings. It's time to add our saffron infusion for that lovely color and aroma. Followed by smoked paprika, regular paprika, and a touch of cayenne pepper for some heat. Mix it all in until the rice is well coated. Step 6. Pouring in broth. Pour in the chicken or seafood broth. Give it a gentle stir to evenly distribute the ingredients, and then let it simmer over medium heat for about 15 minutes. You'll want to stir occasionally. Step 7. Arranging the seafood. Once the rice has absorbed most of the liquid and is almost cooked, it's time to arrange the seafood on top. Nestle the shrimp, mussels, clams, and squid into the rice. Step 8. Finishing touches. Cover the pan with a lid and let the seafood cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the shrimp turn pink and the mussels and clams open up. Step 9. Garnish and serve. Our homemade seafood paella is almost ready. Before serving, sprinkle fresh parsley over the top and garnish with lemon wedges for that extra burst of flavor. Now, it's time to enjoy it. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. There you have it, a mouth-watering homemade seafood paella that's bursting with the flavors of Spain. It's perfect for any occasion, and I promise your guests will love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.